Hello friends, I am Dr. Samadhan Mane, Associate Professor of English, Dharmagir Bhaurao Patil Mahavidyalay, Pandharpur. In this video, I am going to talk about effective presentation skill. So I will talk about the following points in this video. Know your audience, set objectives of the presentation, create a structure of the presentation. Practice is the key to make impactful presentation. Manage your fears while presenting, and concluding remarks. Knowing your audience even before you decide on the topic of your presentation is the first step in making your presentation impactful. So if you understand the needs of your audience and if you know their areas of interest, it might help you in formulating your presentation in that direction. So before you start your presentation, you need to learn about the aspirations of your audience and you try to find out what the audience already know and what they need to know. Knowing your audience also includes knowing about their age groups and their professional and educational background. Objectives of the presentation should be in alignment to the need of the presentation. So you have to set objectives of your presentation before you actually start presenting. Outcome of the presentation also should be specific so that you can prove your presentation as impactful and fruitful. Based on the objectives of your presentation, you are expected to present your content. The structure of your presentation is the core of your presentation. So an ideal presentation always includes beginning, middle and end. So in the beginning, you need to introduce yourself and you need to introduce the topic of your presentation. Then in the same part, you need to explain and showcase the main points of the presentation. So as it is said, well begun is half done. You have to take proper care when you begin your presentation. In the middle of your presentation, you need to go through whatever points you have logically and in sequence. Middle of the presentation is the core of your presentation, or we can call it as a body of the presentation. Then you can summarize your points as and when required in the middle of your presentation. At the end of your presentation, you could take a brief review of main points to summarize, and then you can give a proper conclusions. After conclusion, you may ask for if there are some questions. Practice is the key to make impactful presentation. So you have to work on your communication skills when you practice your presentation. Bring variation in tone of your voice and your pace of speaking so that it may not sound monotonous. Plan out your presentation. Decide on what you will say and when you will say. Learn to handle questions because questions are indispensable part of presentation. The audience will ask questions, so you need to think about the questions that can be asked during the presentation so that you can prepare the answers of expected questions and you can handle the questions tactfully and effectively. Learn to stand at the comfortable distance from the audience. You need to take care that you are standing from the audience maintaining proper distance, not too close nor far away from the audience, so that you also feel confidence and audience also feel confident. Make every movement purposeful and decided so that you may avoid unnecessary gestures and unnecessary facial expressions which might distract the attention of the audience. Work on your tone. If you speak too softly or if you hesitate to speak, that will make you look nervous, and if you look nervous, that will affect the quality of your presentation. Make eye contact with one person at a time. So if you just look through the audience, that will not make an impact. Rather, you have to look at one person at a time, so that each and every person from the audience might feel that he is being considered, and he might give proper attention to your presentation. Rehearse and do not memorize. This is very important, because most of the times we try to memorize the points and facts in our presentation, so it makes our presentation mechanical. So if you rehearse, you may give effective presentation. Rehearsing does not mean learning by heart. Remembering your speech can make you sound mechanical and over rehearsed. So practice is the only key. Memorization is not the key. Managing your fears while presenting. Calm your nerves, relax, and don't be anxious for your presentation. Stop working on it. Avoid over rehearsing the presentation, because sometimes over rehearsing the presentation might spoil your presentation. Enjoy your presentation. If you stress over the presentation, then you won't be able to make impactful presentation. You need to learn to enjoy the presentation so that it becomes effective. So let's sum up. In this video, we discussed about significance of knowing your audience, setting the objectives of the presentation, creating a structure of the presentation, significance of the practice, and managing fears while presenting. Thank you for watching.